Okay, how to find Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, rainbow charts. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Pretty similar to my previous tutorial of the price prediction charts, we have blockchaincenter.net. Two different charts. It will show you where the price of Bitcoin is and what it predicts. The price coin could and would be completely for free. The next one is bitbo.io, pretty similar. But this is the stock to flow chart, by the way, so I'd still consider it a rainbow chart, more or less, give or take. Next website is coincodex.com. It is a different rainbow chart. You can compare this from the blockchain center net, and again, they are a little bit slightly different, but you choose. And then we have coinstats.app, rainbow chart as well. You can compare all three of these things completely for free if you want to predict the price of it.